For this project, I had to design a 6-piece collection. So I had to sketch 6 different furniture pieces. But the one I decided to build out was my bench. It starts with a sketch.
And then this is my 3D model and render and a little bit of technical drawing with dimensions. And then the form evolved and changed over time.
So I printed out my drawings and I used those as references to make all of these bends in the metal. It was a lot of bending. And you like individually bend them. I think I counted and there's 89 parts to this bench. And then from there it was a lot of welding. It took me about 13 weeks of designing and 7 weeks of building. To give you a reference of like how much time goes into the project before you actually get started on it, really. The most important thing is attention to detail. So I've been spending like 4 days straight just sanding this thing because that's where you show the furniture how much you love it as well. It's like when you take your time to make sure the details are as beautiful as the overall form. I do spend a lot of time with a piece to make sure that all the details are beautiful and that it's worth producing. So I really want to create like a raw structure because a lot of furniture pieces are like upholstered or like solid and chunky, and this is described as like a wireframe structure. Sitting on something that you can see through and you're like, how is this holding you up? It looks so lightweight and thin. My teacher and I were talking about how influential furniture is to how we behave. Furniture is kind of the controlling factor over the human body in a room, which is crazy to think about, that we've adapted ourselves to fit the furniture form. So from that idea, I kind of was like, well, what if we like change it up and make it like more playful and have there be a greater relationship between the human form and the furniture form. So my whole collection is about this idea of like presence. My brain works in this way of like, how can we enhance the human experience? Being able to bring something from a sketch to a computer to like in person in life that you can actually sit on. The first time I sat on this after like 14 weeks of working on it, I was like, the best moment. It was the best moment. So rewarding and accomplishing. Yeah.